Hi, fifth grade. Welcome to some rhythm practice for this week. We are going to try to figure out where that new rhythm is. So we're going to start with some echoing rhythms. I'm going to go first. Ta, ti, 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 ta. Cinco, pa, ticka, ticka, ta. Ti, ti, ta, tim, ka, ta. Tom, ti, cinco, pa. Ta, rest, ti, ticka, ta. All right, good. Let's do some guessing now. I will clap it 2 times. Okay, here's the second time. Ticka, ticka, ti, ti, ta, rest. Okay, that was pretty easy. All right, let's throw in something a little bit harder. Here it is again. That's cinco, pa, ti, ticka, ta. All right, let's do one more. Okay, I'll do it again. That was tom, ti, tim, ka, ta. All right, so let's go through all the rhythms that we know so far and how many sounds on how many beats they are. Let's also talk through the names that musicians give to these notes. Ta, 1 sound on 1 beat, called quarter note. Ti, 2 sounds on 1 beat, and musicians call them 1/8 notes. Quarter rest, 1 silence on 1 beat. Ticka ticka, 4 sounds on 1 beat, and what do musicians call these? 16th notes. 2, 1 sound over 2 beats, musicians call this a half note. Ti ticka and ticka ti, 3 sounds on 1 beat. Musicians don't have a specific name except for an 1/8 plus 2 16ths. Tom ti, musicians call this dotted quarter note and an 1/8 note. 2 sounds over 2 beats. Then we have T-tom, the reverse, 2 sounds over 2 beats. And then we have cinco pa, 3 sounds over 1 beat, 1/8 note, quarter note, 1/8 note. And then we know timka, our new rhythm, 2 sounds over 1 beat. And what is the other rhythm that is 2 sounds over 1 beat? 1/8 notes. So the difference between a timka and TT is that timka is long and then short, all over 1 beat. Musicians call this a dotted 1/8 16th note because it's an 1/8 note with a 16th note at the end. And dotted means that if it contains 3 parts. So the first 3 16th notes are melted down into 1 dotted 1/8 note, and then your last 16th note is here. So today we're going to try to find what our new rhythm is, and maybe we'll describe it a little bit as well. So let's get started with Eyes of Blue, kind of a long song. So let's pat the beat and sing it. I will point to the beat as we go. Ready, go. Eyes of blue, cheeks of red. Eyes of blue, cheeks of red. Eyes of blue, cheeks of red. Lips as sweet as gingerbread. Down in the meadow a cowbell rings. Bulldog barks and a jaybird sings. Sun so bright my throat got dry. You oughta heard that jaybird cry. Okay, did you hear the new rhythm in there? Let's see if we can figure out where it is. All right, what about eyes of blue, cheeks of red? What is that rhythm? Ti-ti-ta, ti-ti-ta. What about the next line? Same thing. Hopefully you said that. And then what about the next line? Eyes of blue, cheeks of red. Same thing. Wow. Kind of a boring song so far, huh? What about lips as sweet as gingerbread? Yep. Ta. Okay, so this is kind of one chunk. Lots of tas and TTs. What about now? It gets a little exciting. Down in the... How many sounds? 1, 2, 3. 3 sounds over 1 beat. That narrows it down to one of these guys. Down in the Ti-tika, right. How about the next one? Down in the meadow. 3 sounds again, so we have to go down here again. Short, short, long, tick-a-tee. Cowbell rings, ti-ti-ta. Bulldog. How many sounds do you hear? 2. That narrows it down to TT, Timka, or maybe the mystery note. Let's try TT. Bulldog. Does that work? No. Let's try Timka. Bulldog. No. It's the mystery note. So we heard 2 sounds. So I'm going to write a question mark and 2 sounds there. So another 2 sounds on 1 beat. Bulldog barks and a. Barks and a. Ti-tika. Jaybird sings. Ti-ti-ta. Is it going to be the same thing the next line? Sun so. Just Ti-ti, right? Bright my Ti-ti. Throat got dry. Ti-ti-ta. You oughta. Ti-tika. Heard that. Ti-ti. Jaybird cry. Ti-ti-ta. Is there any pattern that you're seeing for this whole song? Because I'm seeing something. Hopefully you are seeing ti-ti-ta as the end of beats 3 and 4 all the way through. Is there anything else that is similar? Let's see. Not really, but we found our mystery note. So we said it was 2 sounds over 1 beat. And bulldog. We have to think, is it short to long or long to short? Bulldog. Short to long. All right, so we have 2 sounds and we have short to long. Okay, so let's review. When we get to our new note, we're going to sing Dee-Dee, okay? All right, here we go. Ti-ti-ta, ready, go. Ti-ti-ta, 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 ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ta. Ti-tika-tika-ti-ti-ti-ta, ti-ti-ti-tika-ti-ti-ta, ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ta, ti-tika-ti-ti-ti-ti-ta. All right, good job. So see if you can look away for a little bit. We know that the first 4 lines are very similar. And then down here we have our ti-tika-tika-ti, and then we have our new one with a ti-tika. And then a simple 3rd line, and then ti-tika-ti-ti-ti-ti-ta. So this one's a little more varied. Not a lot to think of as predictable, except for the ti-ti-ta at the end. All right, let's try it again. Ready, go. Ti-ti-ta, 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 Ti ticka ticka ti 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 ta. Ti ti ticka ti ti ta. Ti 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 ta. Ti ticka ti 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 ta. One more time, here we go. Ti ti ta, 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 ti 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 ta. Ti ticka ticka ti 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 ta. Ti 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 ticka ti ti ta. Ti 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 ta. Ti ticka ti 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 ta. So tell me, what do we know about the new rhythm? How many sounds over how many beats? 2 sounds over 1 beat. And is it long to short or short to long? Short to long. All right, remember that, because that's going to be something you'll need to be thinking of when we do this again. We're going to build on this for next time, and I will see you later.